This is not the deck that I will be talking about, because I don't physically have the deck that I will be talking about. But let's go. There is a huge difference between intuitive and thoughtful. An intuitive would not need to see the cards, our people, our situation, to interpret the same. And this deck has the Holy Stone, the Hazel Wand, the Crane Bag, and the Apple Branch as extra cards. The format of the Motherpeace Tarot and the Mandala Tarot is something that one might think would be more common. But I have never actually touched such a deck. You would think that the backs are holding a dinner, but it is really just what is left at the table when I go to a buffet. Or when I get the variety platter at the Ethiopian restaurant or something. Because they have a circular thing, a bunch of, circles in the corners, and not the corners and the edges, but okay. The Fool. Oh, let's... Oh, we have an extra here, and the Faery Wicca Tarot. The Tree of Life. So that's 5 extra cards. But the Fool reminds me of my visions of the 1st and 12th Enochian authors. The Magician reminds me of Osiris as a hunter myths. High Priestess reminds me of menstrual huts. Empress makes me think of high society. Emperor seems to be a Roman general. Hierophant is a Teutonic bard. Lovers is a Greek wedding. Chariot is an Amazonian woman. Well, these decks kind of both have that feel, right? Justice is as an oracle. Crone is a woman bereft of hope of further family. Wheel of Fortune is an attempt to symbolize the cycles of years. And we do have the runes of the 8 points of the year. The cross quarters of November, February, May, and August. The solstices, the equinoxes. Strength is an extremist naturalist. Hanged One is the visions of the dying. Death is the forgotten victim, but not by the spirits. Temperance is the elemental hallucinations of witchcraft. Madness and appearance of demons and all that. Devil is false claims to religion. Tower is the prophetic preacher. Now, not all spiritually gifted have to be accepted in their spiritual gifts. I'm not saying that. Star is ritual bathing and anointing. Moon is pursuits and the focus on women. Sun is exhibitionism and the observance of expressions. Judgment is imposing variety. World is trying to help others have an experience. Swords defines the scene. Cups is the focus on something externalized, which is supposed to be internalized. Wands are active factors of change. Discs are emblems of a place. Priestess of Swords is in a position to delegate. Son of Swords figured out what his goals are. King of Swords, Shaman of Swords, is beyond definitions. Daughter of Swords has an idea. Priestess of Cups begins to feel the situation for what it is. Son of Cups practices methods of attainment. Daughter of Cups is ready to receive. Shaman of Cups controls his emotions. Daughter, son, priestess, and shaman are the order of this deck, but the Faery Wicca Tarot has different. Priestess of Wands brings things together. Son of Wands has started a family. Shaman of Wands acknowledges the past ages carry on into the current era. Daughter of Wands knows her life can change. Priestess of Discs teaches her family. Son of Discs works towards his goals. A Shaman of Discs defines a tribe. Daughter of Discs affirms sacredness.